everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do harvesting some potatoes and carrots. All right, honey, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So we have a few potatoes here. That's it?
Yeah, that's it. 4 in that one.
4 potatoes.
Yep.
All right, let's see. Let's see if we have any more.
Nothing in that one. That one's bare.
All right, let's go see. Oh, we have few potatoes. Not many.
Not many now. Nope, that's it.
All right, let's see what we have there. Few potatoes over there.
Yes. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
All right. Any?
That's it. Not too many.
1 potato?
2.
Okay, wow.
Are there other plants here somewhere?
Honey, let's see. All right, it's enough for dinner.
Hold on, there's more. There's one right there.
Oh, look at this.
There's another one. There's more here, yeah.
It's actually not bad potatoes.
No, these aren't bad here. No, these are good. I think they got a little more sun. That's probably why. That tree. Here's another one. Yeah, I think it was. You need to get more in the sun. There's quite a few in here, actually.
Oh, that's one, a good one.
I got a fan on me. There's even more in here yet.
Oh, it's good. Good one. You think there is something else?
I'm looking. Yep. I think it's it.
That's it?
Yep, that's it.
Let's see. No, nothing.
Nothing. Yeah. Hey, but here's one. That's it. Look at it. That's it.
Okay.
Yep, that's it.
So here is our harvest of potatoes. So this is actually from 2 potatoes from the store. I had 2 potatoes that I cut it and planted in the ground, and here it is. It's actually not bad, not bad. We're learning, we're learning. Okay, so now we're gonna harvest some potatoes.
Carrots?
Wait, carrots. Okay. Oh, that's a small one. Also a small one. Kind of on the smaller side.
Yeah, thin them out a little bit. They're tasty. That's a good one.
Oh, that's a good one. Wow.
2 actually, by 1 and 2 here. Alright.
Okay, that's a good one. Wow. It's a really big one.
We're together, look.
Look at this one. It's a really
Twisted.
weird one, yeah.
Yeah, twist it
Kind
together.
of cute.
Alright, I think that ought to do it for now.
Yeah.
Yep, let's rest them grow. It was a good harvest.
Oh, it's really nice.
You're making it